Hello there, a new day, a new project, and here we got something to fix. This is an Asus X51RL. It's a pretty old laptop, I may say, but okay to be used for surfing, emails and stuff like this, simple stuffs, and even movies or Core 2 Duo Intel. Alright, the battery it's missing. Okay, this is the power supply. Let's see what's happening if we just start the machine. Okay, power on. No power. Yeah, here we go. Nothing. Oh yes, I think Asus have a F2 for booting or setup. No way. Okay, let's wait for Windows to come in. Asus Windows 7 starter. Maybe a Linux should do a better job installed on this kind of laptops. Do you have any experience with that? Please let me know. Not bad at all. Just booting pretty fast. What we see here. So, we got no battery. Wi-Fi, it's working. I don't see anything wrong about. Let's open a Word. Let's see the browser. Yeah, it's moving. So what's wrong with this guy? The fan, it's working. I can hear that. But it's lazy. With the modern standard, of course. Okay, let's see. YouTube.com. Go. Not now. What? Well, I don't have any response from the keyboard. So I think that's the problem. Okay, let's shut it down. And let me have the keyboard off. How we can do that? You see, the keyboard up here, it should have some lockers. It's been worked before, I can see that. So 1, 2, 3. So how can we take this keyboard out? You see, with a blade, or it can be a plastic plectrum. You put your fingernail behind the keys. Don't push it hard, but anyway, try this one. It's open already. Okay, let's go to the next one. Here we have the next one. You can see that one there. Okay, just push it back. The keyboard is out. We have another one here. Push it back. There we go. And the keyboard is out. All right. Okay, so the keyboard is disconnected. Maybe somebody was attempting to do something here. Let's see. Okay, now, the keyboard is in the air. And let's give a try. F2 setup. The keyboard was already dismantled, so somebody was tampered with that before. This laptop was just laying in a shelf for 1 year or something, so I'm not sure who, when. Okay. It's booting. Okay, we can give a try here. Okay, we have X. Okay, this is working. This is working. This is working. Nothing on K. Nothing here. Okay. E. R it's missing. T. I. U it's working. I it's missing. O. P. All the numbers are okay. Well, it's very clear. Here we are again, 24 hours later. You remember, I've been working on this Asus. I was trying to open the key, but this is impossible to be fixed. So, in the meantime, I ordered a new keyboard. It came really fast, 24 hours. That's really amazing. a very good price, let's say 18 euros with transport and all the other stuffs. And here we have the new keyboard. I hope they've been sent some similar. Okay, part number. So far, none of the numbers are matching. 300T, I don't know. It's a mess. But that doesn't really matter. They are looking pretty similar. Now I have to do the same cable here. Okay. Let me have some tape. Like that. And once again, like this. Well, this is longer. All right. Yes. It's much longer. No, they are the same. Take care of these guys, so don't push it down here at the curve, because then it's a mess. Okay, so this is the bad one. That should be the good one. And I'll do that this way. So this one is getting connected there. Now we lock the connector and we should have a working keyboard. You think so? Let's power it up. F2. Do you remember we couldn't reach F2? Yes, of course. Look there. That's very clear. The keyboard is working. Okay, nice. Exit? Yes, okay. In the meantime, the laptop have been cleaned a little bit and we changed the thermal paste. I think the job is done. Very simple, easy job. Do you remember that sound? Dum 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 dum. Yes, people, this is a fix. Now how can we put back the keyboard? Do you remember the way we folded the ribbon? So I don't want to push it too much. Now we just have to put it back into the clips, into the lockers, and that's it. We have a working laptop. Very nice. And I have to say that it's moving pretty okay for this age. Okay, that's it for today. I hope it's useful. You know, this kind of locking keyboards, you know, placing and replacing, you can find it to many other laptops, not only this Asus. So before getting any screws out, just look here for lockers. And usually the keyboard is just popping up. Thank you for now. Please like, please subscribe. And of course, don't forget, have some fun. Bye bye.